Freestyle. That's what we're going. I'm not yet. Yeah, and I started.
When he writes, like, it's crazy.
Yeah, if I write, it's 10 times better.
Like, for I'm a good ass writer, I can put it right.
Tommy E. Alright, let's turn up, man. What's up?
Who's going first?
Turn up.
Okay. Everybody listen to the man, go crazy. We in the club, go to the bank, get all the money, yeah, we going ham. But I don't give a fuck, man, I fucked up. I'm like, reading out the book, I don't know what I got. I got it planned out, and I'm reading like fucking hot, and I don't know what I'm doing now. I just fucked up, I'm yelling, and I'm screaming, and I'm shouting, hot, what they doing, and I'm laughing. Hold up, I'm shitting and crapping, I'm fucking up right now because of restarting it. Hold up, let me slow. Hey, come on, I gotta fuck up. Fuck up, shit.
Hey, let me jump in real quick. Check this out. I've been at it since a young age. New nigga, new game, but I'm dumb paid. It's a little crazy how I'm thinking, cause a nigga thinking time, everybody thinking figures. Every time they catch me slipping, I'ma have to pull the trigger. Niggas wanna talk, boy, I'm tryna run a quicker game. Bitches wanna get it, everybody with it. Pay so fat, so a nigga really in it. The game looking good, so I gotta smile back. Shine on deck, nigga, everybody cop that. Couple bricks on it, and a pound of weed. Smoke good, lift it up, everybody sees. I ain't starting on no shit, nigga, real T's. All T, all black, and a nigga mean. Catch me on a hoodie, nigga Jack boy, everybody know I'm in it. Every time they catch me, real niggas with me. 30 racks deep, so a nigga really in it. Come on, bro. Hey, man, we spit for a living, homeboy.
I gotta redeem it. So fuck that. Alright. This is the time to redeem because I'm chilling. I'm smoking the weed. I got my team, I got my crew, and it's still to me. And like you said, don't fuck with us. We're doing this routine because it's flagged out and fucking up. I don't really care. I am the nigga, you gotta fuck with me, just be aware. I get fucked up again, I am high, don't stare. Just look at my eyes so low, I don't even think. Oh shit, I'm thinking ahead. I'm flow sick, I feel so dead, I'm fucking up.
You're on.
Feel myself.
My dog snap real quick, man. Check it out. Little couple more balls. All black, told you everybody want it. Earth so big, so we niggas picking on it. Listen, everybody knows I'm niggas. Smoke kush blunts, everybody know we lifted. Hit the club with them hoes, man, they want it. Throwing racks at these bitches, man, it's on it. I don't love you, I just wanna get the pussy, then I'm ducking all the others. Hoes looking crazy, you ain't can, I don't fuck you. Bitch, I can't get you, dog, looking kinda busted. She just getting crazy, chilling with my niggas. They talking all figures, so a nigga really in me. Gamed out, homeboy.
Okay.
Woo.
Hey, pause it real quick.